So Owaisi in his tweet said that he has lost count of the number of times his Delhi residence has been targeted, and also slammed Union Home Minister Amit Shah, saying this was happening under his oversight. Owaisi also sent a stern message to the miscreants, asserting that such cowardly behavior does not scare him. So Owaisi shared these visuals on his social media account, and he also gave out a message to the miscreants, but more importantly also hitting out at the center, pointing out that this is the residence of an elected MP, and such an attack on the MP's residence is unacceptable. So Owaisi's big attack coming in. He has taken to Twitter to hit out at the government, saying, how is it that there was such a security lapse? This is the residence of an elected member of parliament, and yet his house has come under attack. My colleague Priyank is joining us over the phone line with the details. Priyank, Asaduddin Owaisi's residence being blackened, the nameplate being blackened. There are also pro-Israel posters that have been put up outside his residence. Owaisi taking to Twitter to question the law and order in the national capital.
Yes, certainly. And Asaduddin Owaisi house has been attacked for the second time. First time when there was a fire in that hospital, they saw that house put the whole inside the residence of Owaisi. But this time it is the outer territory of the house where these posters have been pasted. We are yet to get any official statement from the Delhi police side, but what sources have been indicating that the Delhi police has been scanning the CCTV footage of this area, because his house is right adjacent to the election commission, and not only that, his house is also opposite to the headquarters of the Delhi police. So certainly this kind of incident where the posters have been put in and all these signboards have been blackened, Owaisi is certainly right to ask questions on the Delhi police and the kind of security which has been given in and around this particular area. On the other side, what we have seen in the pictures, that pro-Israel picture posters have been pasted outside his residence, which is certainly symbolic to what Owaisi has said inside the parliament, where at the end of his speech he raised slogans in the name of Palestine.
Okay, all right, Priyank, thank you for joining us with those details. An investigation ordered into the incident. On that note, we're slipping into a very short break here. We'll be right back. Do stay with us.